In this tutorial, we'll learn how to select preferences to improve the user experience in Oracle Fusion Data Intelligence, or FDI. User profile options allow me to explore how to improve usability and even enhance collaboration through settings. I'll begin on my home page and click the user profile icon in the top right corner, then select Profile. I can personalize my FDI environment by uploading my picture. I can drag an image file to my profile icon or click and select a photo. If I want to update my photo or to remove it, I'll right-click the image and select Edit or No Profile Photo. Here I can select the language and regional data format that I'm most comfortable working with in workbooks and on the user interface. In this example, I'll select Romania from the language dropdown. Next, I'll click Locale and select the locale for Romania. When I select my language preference for the user interface and locale, these selections will take precedence over my web browser's language setting. I'll save this change and close the dialog. I need to refresh my browser to view the changes. Now, when I open my Sales Analysis workbook, I notice the UI elements reflect my language preference. I also noticed the number format is based on the locale that I chose. Instead of a comma for the thousands separator, I have periods or decimals. I'll revert to English for now. On the Privacy tab, I can select my usage tracking and search history options. These settings allow Oracle to collect selected information about product usage and helps Oracle better understand which features are used most frequently. This enables future product enhancements to elevate my experience. I will click the Privacy Policy link to view the Oracle Privacy Policy in detail. I can see how to exercise my privacy rights. For example, I can opt out of sharing information. It's important to note that disabling these options does not turn off the data collected by customer usage tracking, which is enabled and configured in my organization's usage reports. On the Shared Links tab, I can review and delete links to workbooks that I have shared on social media channels that were previously configured by my FDI administrator. Sharing workbooks on social media channels such as Slack, X, or LinkedIn can help enhance collaboration. Since I don't have any links shared, my list is empty. On the Advanced tab, I will set the default opening mode for workbooks. As an author, I want workbooks to open in edit mode by default, so I will disable Open Workbook as a viewer. I can click Enable Developer Options if I want to embed workbook content into other web pages, when I want to get logical SQL queries or to understand performance statistics. I can also choose to open other content editor dialogues in the existing tab or a new tab for a more isolated and tidier interface. I'll click Save and Close to validate my preferences. I'll reopen the Sales Analysis workbook. I immediately notice that the workbook opened in edit mode. Now from the Workbooks menu, I can select Developer. Here I can see the developer tools. I'll return to my profile settings. If I need to analyze data in my Oracle FDI subject areas from another application, my administrator can use specific keys, such as this Power BI app key to configure and securely connect Oracle FDI to Power BI. I'll click on the final tab, which is Mobile Access. I'll use this to view my workbooks on the go with my mobile device. I can scan this displayed QR code with my mobile device to copy the instance URL instead of typing it manually. If I don't have the mobile app, I can click the Download button or the Click Here link to download the Oracle Analytics mobile app for both iOS and Android devices from their respective app stores. Now I have successfully customized my experience in my FDI environment with my personal preferences to work more efficiently, intuitively, and comfortably. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Fusion Data Intelligence in the links below.